Pronom sujet. Pronom sujet.
Subject pronouns.
Je, I, tu,
You, informal.
il, he, elle, she, nous, oui, vous.
You, formal.
Elle,
They, feminine.
il,
They, masculine.
être,
To be. Present tense.
je suis, I am. Tu es.
You are informal.
Il est,
He is.
elle est, she is. Nous sommes.
We are.
Vous êtes.
You are formal.
Elles sont.
They are feminine.
Ils sont.
They are masculine. Vocab use in this video. 1 girl.
Fille.
2 boy.
Garçon.
3 ready.
Prêt.
4 happy.
Content.
5 tired.
Fatigue.
6 sick.
Malade.
7 busy.
Occupé. Sentences.
I am a girl.
Je suis une fille.
I am a boy.
Je suis un garçon.
For feminine we use eet the end like one sentence on, and in masculine we simply use simple un. E is only for feminine. I am ready.
Je suis prêt.
Masculine. I am ready.
Je suis prête.
Feminine. I am happy.
Je suis content.
I am tired.
Je suis fatigue.
In the above sentence, E is used with feminine. E help us to identify that we are talking about feminine. I am sick.
Je suis malade.
I am busy.
Je suis occupé.